Day 11. What is market data? In electronic trading, every decision starts with a stream of exchange events, trades, quotes, order book updates, status messages, and instrument information. This chapter explains how that stream becomes the live market state used by quantitative and high-frequency trading systems. Every quantitative trading system begins with market data. Before a strategy can decide whether to buy or sell, it must understand the current state of the market. Whether the asset is a stock, future, option, ETF, or cryptocurrency, trading decisions depend on a continuous stream of market events. For high-frequency trading, market data is not just information. It is the raw material from which opportunities are created. Market data is the real-time information published by an exchange describing everything happening inside the market. It includes best bid, best ask, trade price, trade size, order book updates, volume, market status, and instrument information. Every update is a new event. Unlike historical datasets, market data never stops arriving. It behaves like an infinite stream. There are several important categories of market data. Trade data records completed transactions, answering what actually traded. Quote data describes the current best bid and ask, plus their sizes. Order book data goes deeper, publishing multiple price levels so trading systems can reconstruct a local order book. Together, these data types form the live picture of the market. Exchanges usually publish market data in two formats. A snapshot contains the complete market state, such as the entire order book in one message. Incremental updates publish only the changes, such as one price level changing from size 30 to size 18. Modern high-frequency systems rely heavily on incremental updates because they reduce bandwidth, reduce latency, and keep local state current. Market data reaches trading systems through specialized exchange feeds. A simplified path is exchange, market data feed, decoder, local order book, and finally trading strategy. The feed must deliver every market event as quickly as possible. For high-frequency trading, this is often the most latency-sensitive component of the entire system. Latency matters because two firms may receive the same market update and see the same opportunity. If firm A processes it in 8 microseconds and firm B processes it in 120 microseconds, only one is likely to execute first. This is why engineers optimize parsing, memory allocation, cache locality, lock-free queues, and network I/O. Every microsecond matters. Receiving market data is only the beginning. A production system must decode exchange protocols, validate messages, handle sequence numbers, detect packet loss, recover missing data, maintain synchronization, and update the local order book. These operations run continuously throughout the trading day, often across millions of messages per second. Professional trading systems rarely query the exchange whenever information is needed. Instead, they maintain an in-memory representation of the market. Exchange events flow through the feed, incremental updates are applied to local memory, and strategies read that state directly. This removes unnecessary network latency and dramatically improves performance. For long-term investors, market data is information. For high-frequency systems, market data is an event stream. Strategies react to new trades, quote changes, order book updates, liquidity changes, spread changes, and market imbalance. Many strategies process thousands of events before placing a single order. Understanding event flow is often more important than predicting future prices. Efficient market data processing is a foundation of ultra-low latency trading infrastructure. A production platform must decode exchange messages, process incremental updates, maintain local market state, synchronize order books, distribute events across strategies, minimize memory copies, and keep latency deterministic. These requirements define much of the architecture behind godzilla.dev. The key takeaway is simple: market data is the real-time information published by exchanges describing market activity. It includes trades, quotes, order book updates, market status, and instrument information. Professional systems transform this continuous event stream into an in-memory representation of the market, allowing strategies to react with minimal latency. Next, we move from observing the market to processing orders. The following chapter explores matching engines, the component responsible for turning incoming orders into completed trades. Subscribe and keep building the AI Quant Trader Foundation with godzilla.dev.